What if I told you that your ultimate tech command center, your productivity launchpad, your media cockpit, your AI-powered dream workspace, could be built without a single desktop or laptop, just by combining a tablet and a smart display in 2025? That's right. No tower, no monitor stand, no $3,000 rig. Just a tablet like an iPad Pro or Galaxy Tab S9 and a smart display like the Google Nest Hub Max, Amazon Echo Show 15, or even the Samsung Smart Monitor M8. And suddenly, your entire digital life becomes a fluid, multitasking, AI-driven environment that rivals setups 5 times the price. Today on Tech Wave 65, I'm showing you exactly how to create your dream command center using just a tablet and a smart display, how to set it up, what apps to install, what AI tools to integrate, and how to make your minimalist setup smarter, faster, and more powerful than most desktops. Let's start with why this works. In 2025, tablets aren't just content consumption devices. With M4 chips in iPads, Snapdragon X Elite in Galaxy Tabs, OLED screens, desktop-class RAM, external display support, and true multitasking, tablets have become serious productivity powerhouses. Meanwhile, smart displays, once just glorified clocks, are now AI dashboards, hub controllers, calendar managers, and voice-first info panels. When you bring these two together, tablet for action, smart display for context, you create a two-screen ecosystem where one screen responds to you, and the other anticipates you. The result? A setup that feels like it's reading your mind. So here's how you do it. Start with the tablet. If you're on iOS, go with the iPad Pro M4. It's got the horsepower of a MacBook Air, the Apple Pencil Pro for precision input, and supports Stage Manager, which lets you run full multitasking layouts with floating windows and external monitor support. If you're on Android, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra gives you a massive 14.6 inches AMOLED screen, Samsung DeX for desktop mode, and robust multitasking. Either one is a beast. Next, pair it with a smart display. If you're in the Google ecosystem, the Nest Hub Max gives you voice access, calendar overlays, ambient info cards, and camera-based presence detection. If you prefer Amazon's ecosystem, the Echo Show 15 can show sticky notes, routines, calendars, and AI summaries via Alexa. If you want an all-in-one with touchscreen and monitor support, the Samsung Smart Monitor M8 is unbeatable. It runs its own apps, supports DeX and AirPlay, and can double as a second screen. Mount it on a swing arm above or beside your tablet, and you've got asymmetrical dual screen flow, task plus context. On your tablet, you run the heavy lifting: Notion, Slack, Zoom, Canva, DaVinci Resolve for iPad, Logic Pro, VS Code, via GitHub Codespaces, even CapCut and LumaFusion. These apps are fully optimized for tablet workflows now. But the magic happens when you sync AI across both screens. Use ChatGPT 4o on the tablet for real-time writing, coding, image generation, and brainstorming. Use Gemini on your smart display to show summaries, calendar views, to-do lists, and smart alerts. Your smart display becomes your AI-powered executive assistant, always listening, always summarizing, always reminding, while your tablet becomes your creative tool. Set up your smart display to rotate through widgets: calendar, weather, daily priority list, AI insights, motivational quotes, even ambient music control. Use it as a mirror dashboard of your mind. On your tablet, you run focus sessions, set up Notion databases with linked AI queries, track your Pomodoro cycles with apps like Focus Keeper, and automate time tracking with Timely or Reclaim. Add a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and suddenly your tablet behaves like a laptop, but faster, cooler, and more portable. Want to get wild? Add a Loop Deck Live or Stream Deck and assign macros for AI prompts, workspace launches, brightness controls, or smart home scenes. Yes, you can now control your lighting, music, desk height, and calendar, all with one tap from a tablet dashboard. And if you're using iPad OS, pair it with universal control and a Mac Mini or MacBook on the side. You now have a triple device ecosystem with one keyboard and mouse. Let's talk smart display usage deeper. With Amazon Echo Show, set up custom routines. When you say, focus mode, it dims your lights, starts ambient lo-fi on Spotify, turns off notifications, and shows only your calendar and AI to-do list. With Google Nest Hub, use face match and presence sensing to automatically load your preferred dashboard when you walk in. It'll say, good morning, here's your first meeting, shall I start coffee and sync your writing session? This isn't just a display. It's your environment adapting to you. Now imagine layering in smart home gear. Govy RGB lighting that shifts colors based on your app. A smart diffuser that releases peppermint oil when your energy dips. A sit-stand desk that adjusts based on your time in chair. And a temperature sensor that warms the room during deep work. Suddenly, your dream command center isn't just visual, it's biological, environmental, and sensory. And here's where AI hits next level. Use apps like Rewind.ai or Mem.ai on your tablet to index your entire workflow. Ask it, what idea was I working on last Tuesday when I had the client call? And it'll pull up your notes, screen activity, and files. Use Notion AI to draft scripts, ChatGPT to refactor your code, and Gemini to answer real-time queries. Your entire brain now lives across two screens, and one doesn't even need your touch. Need security? Use Face ID on tablet, Voice PIN on smart display, and back your files up via iCloud, Dropbox, or pCloud. Set weekly automated backups to your external SSD for redundancy. And don't forget, this setup is 100% portable. You can pack it up, take your tablet anywhere, and just sync to any smart display in the world. Your command center travels with you. So what's the catch? There are a few. 1. Tablets can't do everything. Heavy desktop rendering, large-scale coding environments, or full virtual machines still need traditional PCs. 2. Some smart displays have limited app support. You'll need to lean on automation, widgets, and external integrations to really unlock the magic. 3. AI isn't perfect. You'll need to train it, refine your prompts, and manage privacy settings carefully. But if you're creative, disciplined, and love streamlining chaos into clarity, this setup is life-changing. You gain speed. You gain simplicity. You gain space. And most importantly, you gain a digital cockpit that works for you, not against you. So ditch the old tower. Forget the cable jungle. Reimagine your desk as a flexible, intelligent ecosystem where your tablet is your brain and your smart display is your second mind. This is the future of work, and you can build it today. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.